I'm Snail from YouTube, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a snail from Play-Doh. So today I'm going to be using some pink Play-Doh. So here we go. So I'm going to make it into something like this. So all you need to do to make this is just roll, so then you twist it, like you curl it round, so then once you've twisted it round, it should look like this, okay? So then you're going to add these two to this part of its head. So these are gonna go like this, like that, okay? So I've already made one. So I'll just show you now. So here it is with the things on. You'll do a bit better than mine, okay? And if you want, you can do some decorations, but I've just chose to do like dots around it, because sometimes when you see snails, they like got these dots on them. They don't go in the shell, but like the dots. Okay, so that is how to make a snail from Play-Doh. Okay, that's all I have time for today. Okay, bye. Please subscribe or leave a comment or like. Okay, bye.